Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. It's time for me to get the AeroInjector ready to install on the engine of the Sonex aircraft that I'm building. What this means is that I need to drill and tap a hole for a bolt so I can attach the air cleaner to it. So in today's episode, we're going to drill and tap that hole and then also install the fitting for the fuel line. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for watching. Now we need to install the air filter on the AeroInjector. So what we'll do first is we need to drill a hole in the center of this bell here. So I'm just going to take a blue line and make a blue line in the center so we can see it. Then we take the air filter and we slide it on, and looking through the hole, I don't know if you can see this, but looking through the hole I can see the line. And then when we have that line centered in the hole, I'm going to take a 3/16 bit. I'm just going to mark the spot that we want to drill. Now that we have the spot marked, I'm going to take a spring punch, mark a hole to get the drill bit started. We're going to drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole in the bell. Okay, we're going to hold it down so that no debris falls into the AeroInjector. Okay. Now that we have the 1/8 inch pilot hole, we're going to go ahead and up drill that hole to a number 21 so that we can tap the hole for a 1032 bolt. So here we go ahead and up drill it, hold it down so debris doesn't fall in. Okay. We've got a 1032 tap, and we're going to put a little bit of cutting oil on it, and we'll go ahead and tap this hole. So we just run the tap in a little at a time, then back it off to release the chips that it's making. So we're actually cutting threads in the aluminum right now. And we'll just keep going a little at a time. Until we get the threads all the way through. Okay, it's all the way through and it's nice. So we'll go ahead and back this out. Try to keep any debris from going down inside. Looks good. All right. Yeah, we'll see if the bolt fits. Yep, So we'll be able to screw this 1032 bolt in there with no problem. These threads are kind of raised up there a little bit on the inside, so I'm just going to take a small file and I'm just going to take the roughness off of it. That way I know that nothing's going to break loose and fall in the carburetor when... Actually, it's not a carburetor, it's an AeroInjector. It doesn't have a float bowl like a carburetor would have. It's just like a slide injector. Okay, looks good. Now I'll see if this fits. Start a bolt in the hole. And see if we can make this work. And tighten it up. All right, looks good. Now we need to install a fitting for the fuel line. So we'll take a little bit of Teflon paste and put it on the threads. These are pipe threads, so we need to seal them. So we'll get it started here. And seal these pipe threads. Just so it's tight. Don't have to go too tight with it. Now we have the AeroInjector ready to install on the engine. So in a future episode we're going to install it, and then we'll need to route and trim the throttle and mixture cables to fit everything. So stay tuned, and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.